Top 7. Best Cordless Hedge Trimmer. However, when it's time to choose the right cordless hedge trimmer, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 7 best cordless hedge trimmers on the market today, so if you're interested in what cordless hedge trimmer will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 7. Makita 22 inches. 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer kit. For those with lots of hedges to trim, the Makita cordless hedge trimmer kit delivers an impressive 120 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting. The tool has a 22-inch blade that can deliver up to 1,350 strokes per minute, and it weighs just over 7 pounds, making it easier to wield. This hedge trimmer has an anti-vibration design with several cushions in the motor housing, and it's quieter than most trimmers, operating at just 87 decibels. The tool features quick change blades, a battery capacity warning system, an electric brake, and its battery charges up in less than an hour, allowing you to get back to work faster. Number 6. Black Plus Decker 20 VMAX Cordless Hedge Trimmer. High-end cordless hedge trimmers can cost upward of $200, but this compact, budget-friendly model from Black Plus Decker retails for less than $100, making it an unbeatable value. The tool has a 22-inch dual-edge blade that can cut through branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter, and it's designed with comfort in mind, featuring a premium grip and additional handle for stability. This hedge trimmer runs on a 20-volt battery, and its power cut feature provides a boost of power to cut through thick areas and jams. It's able to cut up to 3,000 square feet in a single charge and vibrates less during operation to reduce arm fatigue. Number 5. Bosch Easy Hedge Cut 18 to 45. This trimmer has a 45 cm long blade and comes with a 18V2A battery. While it has an above-average run time of 50 minutes, the charge time can take around 124 minutes, which is among the longest of the models we tested. This, together with the handle design, which we found to be awkward and uncomfortable to grip. However, it's part of the Bosch Power for All 18V Alliance system, which powers around 40 Bosch home, garden and household tools, so this may be something to bear in mind. We like that it features blade sensors to prevent snagging, and it has a decent cutting capacity of 15 mm. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 4. EGO 56V Power Plus 24-inch Brushless Hedge Trimmer HT2410. Upgrading to a brushless motor, EGO maintained its 3000 SPM speed while jumping to a 1-inch cut capacity from its original design. Packed with a 2.5Ah battery, its $199 price tag is reachable for homeowners looking to get into the line, while its $129 bare tool price is very attractive if you're already on the 56V platform. About this item: high-efficiency brushless motor. Electric brake stops blade action quickly for improved control. 24 dual action, hardened steel reciprocating blades. Fully serviceable blades. Power source type, battery powered. Number 3. Skill PWR Core 40 Brushless Hedge Trimmer. When Skill relaunched with the PWR Core 12 and PWR Core 20 power tool lines, we quickly learned to expect surprisingly good performance for the price. The lawn care side of their business is making a similar reputation for itself, and Skill's PWR Core 40 Brushless Hedge Trimmer follows suit. With 24-inch knives and 3,000 strokes per minute, you can get this 8.5-pound model, yes, that includes the battery weight, for $149.99 as a kit with a 2.5Ah battery and PWR Jump Fast charger. Number 2. Greenworks 2.7 amp Corded Hedge Trimmer, 22102. This Greenworks tool is a lightweight electric hedge trimmer that has a 2.7 amp engine and weighs just 6.2 pounds, saving users from the struggle of operating and controlling a heavier trimmer. But this budget pick doesn't skimp on top-of-the-line features. Its 18-inch dual-action steel blades can cut through branches up to 3/8 inch thick, making it a worthy option for light to moderate trimming. The trimmer relies on an extension cord for power, so users can work until they are finished instead of taking forced breaks refueling or recharging a gas or battery-powered tool. Number 1. Sunjo SJH902 E4 amp Telescoping Pole Hedge Trimmer. For trimming high up and out-of-the-way branches, check out this telescoping hedge trimmer from Sunjo. It has an extendable arm that can reach up to 13 feet, and the head of the trimmer pivots so that the angle can be adjusted for trimming under or above tall hedges and bushes. This power hedge trimmer weighs about 9 pounds, so it may be heavy for some individuals, but it's still a more lightweight option than most gas trimmers. The Sunjo cuts with a dual-sided, 21-inch hardened steel blade, able to prune branches up to 3/4 inch thick. This electric trimmer has a powerful 4-amp motor, and it relies on an extension cord for power, so users may be limited to the range of the cord but don't need to worry about running out of gas or battery power. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.